In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell bent over row. So firstly, you've got the weights in front of you, and what I want you to do is pick them up with a nice straight back, especially if you're using heavy weights. So once you've picked up your weights, what you're going to do, I'm going to stand side onto the camera so you can best see, is feet hip width apart. I want you to bring your bum back and bend your knees at the same time. And you're going to bring the dumbbells into a position where they're just outside of your knees. So keeping nice and upright, I bring my hips back, try and keep that nice neutral line with your spine. Come down with the knees until you're in a position where those dumbbells are either side of the knees. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to row up, so my elbows are going to come up and down. Notice how my hips don't move throughout the entirety of the repetitions, so I'm not using momentum to bring myself up. Everything's set in place, my core's braced, chin's down, and I'm looking down as I'm doing the exercise and my repetitions. When I come up to the top of the repetition here, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together, and when I come down to the bottom, I'm relaxing. So squeeze, slow control down, relax, squeeze, slow control down, relax. When you're doing your repetitions with heavier weight, what you want to make sure that you don't do, which is the cheat, is you might start off in a really nice position. So you might start off here, and then as you're getting tired, you're creeping higher and higher and higher to the point where your row becomes less. So make sure when you're doing it, you've got that set position, stay in that position for all the repetitions, and make sure you don't cheat by slowly starting to come up higher and higher and higher, decreasing your range of motion. That's how to do a bent over dumbbell row, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.